Morning. First pick on a camera. We're using a master disc lock. Funky, quite a deep cut key. Supposed to be quite secure. 8 out of 10 on the security rating, whatever they measure that in. So let's have a look. A little bit of tension going in just with a standard hook, and we'll go in at the back first. Got it. And there we go, master lock picked. Thankfully the rubber bit slides out of the way while you're picking, so just makes it a bit easier. But even so, for something billed as secure, it's a massive disappointment. It took nearly as long to get it out of the blister pack as it did to pick it. I was hoping for a bit more of a challenge. Maybe next time. Thanks for watching.